adom a bedroom show. Bedroom, like a lot, because I do not miss a show. I can tell you every day before I go to work, I watch it before I go out to work. It's one of my like favorite because they start very early in the morning around 6 o'clock. So I just don't joke with that show. I mean, this was 2018, 2017, 2018-ish. So yeah, that's just my point of view. Yeah. And if you want more, there are examples, a lot. I can
Was
tell
it
you.
was it on the same show he insulted the president?
The same show he insulted President Akufo-Addo.
He was
I mean,
mad
that's not the only spot I think he spoke about President Akufo. That's for President Akufo-Addo. He even on net 2 he has been saying that. For me, I'm not concerned about the personal attack on the president. I'm talking about the real issues that makes him a saint. The real issues that makes him the honest man. The real issues. So it's not about the personal issues he has with president. No, for me, it's not about that because everybody can have issues. But for me, okay, somebody wants another example. Let me give you another example. Hold on. Let me give you another example. So now they were discussing the Ghana tourism industry, and he spoke about the fact that he can change Ghana's tourism industry, and in his point of view, he can make us generate a lot of revenue through tourism. Now, he cited Kenya, that one of the things that really impacts the economy of Kenya is their tourism. Now, he spoke about the fact that Ghana has senior bands. I see you. All right. So according to him, Ghana has a lot of castles. All right. And all that he said for me was spot on until the business side of him spoke, or maybe the selfish part of him spoke, and he lost me. So now let me take you through the story. Now, Kennedy Akompre Japan stated, I am saying this categorically, that he said it. I'm not even capping. He said that Ghana has a lot of castles. And all that happens with these castles, that when tourists visit these castles, they go through the castle, they just experience it, and that is just it. So in his point of view, we have a gate of no return in almost all the castles. So what he intends to do is that he will create a restaurant out of the, like, just by the sea where the gate of no return is. So when the tourists go through the gate of no return and they get to where the restaurant is, which is the exit of the no return, he's going to like build a very big restaurant along the sea or on the sea, and the tourists will be forced to buy food, drinks, and yes, of course, we can build hotel. No, at the time he spoke about restaurants. I mean, that's what I remember. Please, if he added hotel, this is maybe his second thing. So let me talk about this. So that it can buy a lot of things, which by extension will generate revenue. Then Omahini Kwabena Asante comes in with a question, say, then why don't you sell this brilliant idea to the ministry so that they implement it? He said no. He has even sent a proposal to them to sell one of the castle to him. This is what Mr. Kennedy Japan said. He said, sell the castle to him. And that is where he lost me. Because he wants one of our state's monuments to be sold to him. You said I'm lying. I am lying. How? You said I'm lying. You are a joke. He never said that. Then what did he say? Bring the video. He said you want them. I watched some part. Then prove. What did he say? He said they should sell the one of the how do you call it? The castle to him. I remember. This is what I remember. And me, I should bring the video. Get out. Yes. So you see, immediately I heard that. Maybe I didn't hear right, but in fact, I think I am confident I heard it. And this is 2017, 2018. And if I can narrate to you this, and you see, at my workplace, we're always discussing, because I was working with an addictive disease unit in Kolebu. So we have a session where we brief the addicts on what exactly is going on in Ghana. And I always take the political segment. So I was very particular about it. And this generated a lot of conversation that particular day. So in my point of view, since that day, I saw him as somebody who is just, okay, he's just business minded, and it's Kennedy way or no way. That is how I saw the situation. And I could not believe that somebody would think that he wants to acquire one of our castles to convert it into such a thing. The idea is very beautiful, but for somebody to have it in their name is where I have a problem. But if you want to go into partnership with the states and maybe it will be leased to you for some time, that is okay. But to sell to you is where I have a problem. I remember this particular interview so well. And that is where I also feel that no, Kennedy is not really how he portrays himself to be. I may be wrong, but from those interviews and most of these utterances, I analyze things a lot and I hardly forget things unless I don't want to talk about it. So if you say I'm lying, it's on you. But I am telling you, these are some of the reasons why he lost me as a follower. Because for me, I enjoy Aluta. Like, so sometimes I remember those times I didn't want to lead at all. Because for some of us, if we are behind the scenes, okay, we control things. And for me, I'm always just trying to, yes, I can worry a lot. So I do not like to even lead. And sometimes leadership is falls on me. And yes, I do my best to deliver until it got to a point I'm like, okay, I think I can do this better. So let me put myself out there. But I enjoy the floor member role. Yes, let's set an agenda. Let's push leadership to the wall. This is what I enjoy most. And I'm good at it. I can tell you when I flip to a different character, you may wonder like who I am. But the truth of the matter is that Kennedy lost me because of some of these interviews. And from where I sit, it'll take a lot to change my mindset about him. Maybe it was more of his business side that was speaking. All right. Maybe it was more of his business side that was speaking. But in my point of view, these are some of the things that really do not sit